Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Tenda Wireless N300 Easy Setup router. The device comes with a stable and fast Wi-Fi experience. A simple setup interface allows you to set up the router within 30 seconds. It has the QoS feature as well as data transfer support up to 300 Mbps. It also supports WPA, WPA2, WPA-PSK and WPA-PSK security mechanisms for enhanced security, as well as IP-based bandwidth control for easy allocation of bandwidth. So let's go and unbox the router. Here's a general public license notice from Tenda. You also have the installation guide from the manufacturer that will guide you on how to configure your router, connect it, and get it set up and running. You can see the router also comes with its power supply. You can see over here. It is a 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.3 ampere input, supporting an output of 9 volts and 600 milliampere. The device also comes with a LAN cable for easy installation and connection at any point in your house with supported ports. The router itself has a 3 antenna setup. As you can see here, you have the various configuration lights on the top, the system, Wi-Fi, different connections, WPS. At the back of the router, you have the WAN port for connection, as well as 3 LAN connection options. You also have the power socket to plug in your power supply, as well as the WPS and reset button. And there you have the Tenda Wireless N300 Easy Setup router. Thanks for watching.